Class Today Geometry students on this Wednesday the 21st. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to go over some more math today. As always, let's be ready to work hard and please use your brains today and think, okay? Here we go. There will be a test next week. I will give you more information on that next week. Obviously, it will not be on Monday, but there will be a test next week. At this time, please turn your homework in from yesterday. Page 193. Stop and make sure your name is on it, please, before you turn it in. Okay? But at this time, please turn your homework in. Haley, you did a great job of getting all of your incompletes turned in, so I appreciate that, and they're all recorded. I don't think we have any incompletes, okay? I'm going to grade your quizzes tonight. So if you're sitting in the room right now and you know for a fact you did not take the quiz yesterday, you must take that today. The 9 weeks ends today. So, Miss Carol, if anyone is in the room and they did not take the quiz, they need to take that today during the class period. And then they can go home and watch the videos tonight at their house, or they can take it during 7th hour. But it must be taken today, okay? If there's any problems with that, send me an email or something, okay? Alright, moving on. Remember, if you miss one day or many days, the first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it, unless you pre-contact me. It is your job to stay on top of your videos while you are out absent. Today we're going to be taking notes and working on homework. The video today is about isosceles and right triangles. You will learn 3 theorems and 2 corollaries. This will be your first time learning corollaries, and the video will explain what a corollary is. The name of the teaching video is Isosceles and Right Triangles, only about 27 minutes long, so not that long. The homework that is due Friday, it's not due tomorrow, it's due Friday, is page 199. Those numbers right there, please copy those down. The help video is called Geometry, Track 1, Lesson 4.6 homework, okay? Notice everyone has taken quiz number 7, and so it was passed back to you today. Let me make some comments on this quiz. First of all, we have already gone over the quiz. If you'll think back, I asked for Haley Harmon to step out of the room, and I went over the quiz, and then we collected the quizzes, okay? So we have gone over those already. There were 8 A's, 1 B, and 1 C. No D's, no F's. So 8 A's, that's really good. 1 B, 1 C. The highest grade in the class would be the 99s, and that was, no, there were 2 100s actually. Alex and Lydia had the 2 highest grades in the class, so congratulations to them. And if you want to check my work, would you please listen carefully? If you want to check my work, the first mistake you made was 1 point off. The second mistake you made was 5 points off. Every mistake thereafter was 9 points off. So check my work, okay? Go through and add up all the points, and make sure I did my work correctly, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and continue on. Brandon, about your test, I'm sorry I did not write a note back. I thought I did, and I would never take that long to respond to a student, okay? I see that you rewrote or recopied the diagram. And Brandon, I don't necessarily think you would do this, but I have no proof, or you have no proof, that that bigger diagram that you draw matches the smaller one, and I just can't read it, okay? And let me take my attention off Brandon and talk to all the students. Guys, when you do your math, do it neatly if you want partial credit. Any teacher, not just Mr. Earhart, any teacher's not going to strain his eyes and try to figure stuff out when he's doing a favor to you and giving you partial credit if the writing is really difficult to read. So try to be neat and sharp on your tests and quizzes, okay? Fan buzz. You guys are new to me as a teacher, and here's how I handle this. I want everyone to go to the game, and I hope everyone does go. However, Miss Carol, if there's at least one student left in the room, then we're having class. Guys, Guys, listen. Parents pay money for their students to be taught. And that's finance. That's not fair. That's not right to take someone's money and not teach their child. Just because the athletes are out of town or because students decide to go to a game. So if there is at least one, now Miss Carol, if all the students are absent, then when you volleyball players and fans get back, you can listen over the weekend to the video. I will state whether or not we had class that day, okay? But I'm assuming there'll be at least 3 or 4 or 5 students in class like usual, and we will have class that day, okay? And so understand that and make sure when you get back from the tournament you get caught up, okay? That's all for today, students. Please get started with your teaching video and working on homework. Please don't goof off today. Work hard. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.